How to fix iPhone keyboard letters not typing. So sometimes this kind of glitch can happen. So I would recommend you guys to first of all, restart your iPhone. For that, click on your volume up button, volume down button, then keep pressing on your power button until you see Apple logo, then release the button, and within few seconds, your iPhone will successfully be restarted. So after restarting, I'm pretty sure your keyboard will start working, but if it's still not working, then another thing might be issue with your iPhone not being up to date. For that, you can get to your settings, and then from your settings, scroll down, then tap on General. Then after doing that, tap on Software Update, from which here, if your iPhone requires any kind of software update, there will be a option just like this. If you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of Update Now. You can simply tap on Update Now, and just like that, you'll be able to update your software. So if you're having the keyboard issue with specific keys, so for example, if I'm having issue with this A and S specific keys, that might be the issue with my screen being damaged. So like I said, if it is the problem with this specific key, then it might be a physical screen damage. So I would recommend you guys to contact to your nearby Apple support. And yeah, that is it. These were some ways that you can try to fix your iPhone keyboard not typing. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.